Well, we've got a blizzard warning in effect for northeast North Dakota and northwest Minnesota. Good day to stay put. Blizzard, this from the National Weather Service out of Grand Forks as you look at the UND atmospheric sky cam here. Blizzard warning in effect until 6 p.m. on this Saturday. Whiteout conditions expected in open country. Additional snow accumulations up to 1 inch. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Wind chills as low as 50 degrees below zero. So, take a look at a road DOT cam here. This is out on Highway 2 by close to Fisher. Basically, it looks like whiteout conditions. And a look at the road maps, North Dakota and Minnesota sides here. No travel advised. Basically, northeast North Dakota and northwest Minnesota. If you're up in these areas, it's a good Saturday morning to stay put. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.